I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by establishing proportions. This prevents awkward placement later. First, draw a horizontal eye line and mark spacing. Each eye should equal roughly 1 eye width. Then sketch a light 1/2 almond for each lid. These are your base shapes. Place the iris so it fills about 2/3 of the visible eye height and mark the pupil center. Once done, you have a simple scaffold to refine lids, lashes, and highlights without guessing where features belong. Now refine the lids. Thicken the upper lid with a tapered line that overlaps the eye slightly and define the lower lid more gently. This creates depth. For the iris, shade radially from the pupil outward, leaving lighter streaks. Add a darker outer ring to anchor the eye. Sketch lashes in small clustered groups, not single strokes, varying length and curve for realism. Make sure to adjust pressure, lighter strokes for lower lashes, heavier for the upper to suggest volume and shadow. Finish by adding highlights. A sharp white spot on the iris shows direction of light, and a few tiny secondary glints add wetness. This sells realism. Soften shadows beneath the upper lid and at the tier duct with light smudging to create depth. Once done, step back and check symmetry. Slight asymmetry is natural, but correct obvious mismatches. If things go wrong, erase stray marks, re-establish your base shapes, and redarken key lines to regain structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.